look at that. Ooh. Slutty style.
Slutty style.
Yes, ma'am.
What's up, guys? Alright, so today we're going to show you how to make a slutty vegan burger. The 3 burgers that we're making today are the One Night Stand, the Dancehall Queen, and the Menage a Trois.
Boom.
Boom. Now, if you don't know what Slutty Vegan is, it is a plant-based restaurant based in Atlanta. It is black owned, it is female owned, and it is founded by Pinky Cole. It actually started out as a food truck, but it was so popular that they had lines going like basically around the block. People actually used to wait in line for hours just to get a Slutty Vegan burger. Now last year they actually opened up their first physical location, and we decided we were going to pack the kids in the van and go ahead and check it out. Let's cut to some footage.
That is the line, I believe. That is the line. That is the line. That is the line. And that is the restaurant.
That is the line.
That is the restaurant. That was the line. I don't know if you guys even can fathom what that was. I've never seen anything like that before. If you want to know what a vegan revolution looks like, come down to Slutty Vegan in Atlanta.
I didn't think it was going to be a line because it's tucked away.
No, people know.
Now, as you can see, we were not successful in standing in that line, so we decided to come home and actually make our own Slutty Vegan burger. We filmed it, and that actually became our biggest video on the channel. Now that video is currently at 36,000 views and counting. Oh, 7.
37.
7 and counting. And we always said that we would go ahead and remake the video once we got our hands on all of the authentic ingredients that go into these Slutty Vegan burgers.
Yes.
Now the only ingredient we don't have is the slutty sauce, and that is only because it is currently sold out on the Slutty Vegan website. But what we do have is that infinite dipping. Now if y'all don't know what infinite dip is, check out this footage.
Ooh, put that dipping sauce.
Got that dip.
I'm sorry, but this dipping sauce might be the star of the show today. I know we was doing the wing review, but like this dipping sauce though. Ooh, this sauce though.
It's smoky. Y'all better make that infinite sauce that you cook up.
So yeah, we've been making this infinite dip
for a year now.
For all year now, and it was made on a whim by Chris because we were like, we need something for these wings. Yeah. And now we put this thing on everything.
On everything.
On everything. Now we actually did get a chance to try out Slutty Vegan for ourselves. And they actually came to our neighborhood.
Yes, twice in 1 week.
We went both times.
Footage.
Hey, roll that footage.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
What you got there?
Look at that. There we go.
I see why people are obsessed with this. 100%.
Now, it was an amazing experience.
Great vibes, man.
The hype is real.
Great vibes, good people.
Hands down, some of the best burgers on the market.
Yes.
And our goal in making these burgers is basically to pay homage to Slutty Vegan, and also for those of you who don't live in Atlanta and you want to get a taste of this or at least get close to it, this video is for you.
Yes.
Big shout outs to the Slutty Vegan team.
Amazing people.
And also, Slutty Vegan has just dropped their wrap snacks.
Yes.
If you can find it,
Yes, actually, yeah, I'll put the address of the convenience store. Somebody had said they found it, and so we'll put it right here on the screen. So if you're in the Atlanta area, go and show support. We're definitely going to be looking for it soon when we finally like get out of the house
when we
again.
Get out the house
with these 6
on a
kids.
regular basis with these 6 kids. We're gonna go ahead and pick us up some. But until then, let's go ahead and get into this video and let's see what else we need to make these burgers.
All right, so this is the vegan bacon from All Vegetarian Inc. That is on Slutty Vegan Burgers. Slutty Vegan Burgers are also made with Impossible meat. So there it is right there. You can get this at Kroger's nationwide. We'll also put up the other stores that you can get it at here. Also on the Menage a Trois, which we are also making today, you need vegan shrimp, also from All Vegetarian Inc. And you need some Daya cheddar shreds from the Cutting Board collection. That is the cheese that is used on the Slutty Vegan Burger. Over here we have the shrimp soaking in some vegan buttermilk. It's then going to be dipped in some seasoned flour and some garbanzo bean liquid, which, as we've mentioned before, we use as the binder in our recipes. Then as far as the toppings go, over here we just have some lettuce and tomato. These are the same tomatoes we used in the one from last year, and those are sort of our favorite tomatoes anyway, but they didn't have any big ones at the store. And we have some onions for the caramelized onions. And obviously we don't have Slutty Vegan sauce, but I make my own sauce called Infinite Dip, and it is amazing. And and so yeah, but they do sell a Slutty Vegan sauce, but it's currently out of stock.
Yes.
And over here is just a sweet jerk sauce, which
that almost spilled all over the place.
Yeah, that goes in the Dance Hall Queen. That is what the plantains are going to be tossed around in. Over here we have the plantains to go in the Dance Hall Queen. We have the Hawaiian buns, and we have the crinkle cut fries. And with those fries, we're gonna put a Cajun seasoning on it. If you guys want all of the details about all the different brands and everything that we're using here, that is available exclusively to our members. There's a shopping list, so when you join and you become a member, you'll be able to see a shopping list to get everything that you need and all the links that you need in order to purchase this bacon and the shrimp as well.
Quick thing, before we continue the video, guys, do not forget to join our membership on our YouTube channel. Now, if you do not know what the membership is, it is kind of like Patreon, where you pay basically a monthly membership. It is completely optional. You do not have to join it if you don't want to, but you do get exclusive footage. You get early access to footage. You get behind the scenes footage. You also get exclusive finds of new vegan products, and we share that stuff with our members before we share it anywhere else. So please go ahead and check that out. Back to the video. Alright, so now that we have everything that we need, we're gonna go ahead and fry up this shrimp, and while that cools, we're gonna go ahead and grill these burgers. So let's go. So what we're doing right now is we are going to take it from the buttermilk, put it into the flour, and then from the flour you put it into your garbanzo bean liquid. You take it from the garbanzo bean liquid and you put it back in the flour, and you are good to go.
So guys, you just want to put this to cook just for, you know, a couple minutes on each side. I'd say about 3 to 4 minutes on each side.
Yeah, obviously if you have a deep fryer, use that. But yeah, we just have a little bit of grapeseed oil in the pot, and you're just gonna toss it around a little bit.
Alright, flip these bad boys over, and as you can see, it has a nice little crisp to it. As we say in the Caribbean, nice little crisp.
Crispy.
It's crispy.
Smells amazing.
Oh yeah.
Guys, all I seasoned it with is some of the, what was it, like a Cajun
It's like a Cajun seasoning.
Yeah, Cajun seasoning, and then some black pepper. Some black pepper.
Black pepper. Some garlic powder and some onion powder.
Yeah.
Alright, so there is one of the burgers here. Just gonna go ahead and put it on the grill like so.
Ooh.
So you're gonna throw some seasoning on it. Whatever your favorite seasoning is, you can go ahead and throw it on there. Just gonna use some of this Cajun seasoning real quick. You just do a quick roll like so. And then you just flatten it a little bit. just like that. And for one of these, we're going to put some oxtail seasoning just to drive that Caribbean flavor home. And then we're going to put some other cool seasoning on another one.
Look at that.
There we go. Let's start flipping.
Flipping burgers. Ooh.
Guys, it bleeds like real burger.
So when we first heard that that was like the angle they were going.
Yeah, we were like, what?
Yeah.
Alright, at this point, you guys want to just sprinkle some cheese on there. As much as you want to put.
Used to look at something vegan or something?
But yeah, you just want to put it as much as you want to put. Onions are pretty much done.
Now, as far as that bacon, shout out to All Vegetarian Inc. because that's where that bacon comes from. If you haven't checked that out already, check out our first video where we reviewed this bacon.
Yes. Have you ever seen a vegan bacon do this? Look at that.
It looks just like bacon too. And shout out to the All Vegetarian Inc. team for sending us this box. If you're not already, follow us on Instagram and follow All Vegetarian Inc. on Instagram as well. Yes, that is our son dancing because he loves his All Vegetarian Inc. bacon.
Alright, so next up we got our bacon.
Yeah, we just
We always cut them in half.
yeah, cut ours in half to make it even more slender. And it helps it to get even more crispy.
And it also makes it last longer.
It does. Because our kids and this bacon.
Our kids are savages and they will literally tear this bacon up. Alright, now when you start to see your bacon shrink, you want to start to flip it. And guys, you do want to butter your pot simply because it does not have its own oils in it. And you don't want dry bacon. Alright, yeah, that's looking the way we like it. There we go. There you go. Crisping up real nice. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ménage-toi.
Nicki Minaj.
I was like, damn.
I was like, damn.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Got your mouth water.
Make that thing go water. Woo. Oh my gosh.
That thing looking good.
That whole queen is mine, huh?
That's cool. That's cool, girl. Fries for the finishing touch.
Cajun fries.
Cajun style Cajun fries. Yes, ma'am. Wham bam. Thank you, Mom.
All right, so now we just gonna do that extra touch and put them in some foil. Just like you would get it at the restaurant.
Restaurant.
At the restaurant.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Sir. Them fries though, right?
Oh, God.
Yeah, you gotta get some good seasoning, some good Cajun seasoning. Also too, this helps if your burger's like big and beefy.
Yeah.
It makes it more manageable. All right, and when you wrap it up, you get the big reveal. Look at that.
Ooh.
Slutty style.
What is strong?
Let us down, let us down, let us let it.
Okay, that's mine. So.
All right, so take that. All right, I'm just gonna take a quick bite because I already know that these gonna be bomb.
Bum bum.
Bomb, bomb, bomb. Because we've already tasted the shrimp. Mine
Yes.
is the, this is the, which one is this? The Menage a Trois. I got the Menage a Trois.
Ooh.
And I already know
that's-
all these
that's
ingredients
a-
are fire. All right, so I'm gonna take a quick bite. I don't even know where to bite.
Ooh. Turn it, let me see. Ooh. Wee.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Oh
How
my
is
God.
that?
The flavors, you can taste the shrimp, the bacon, the burger.
Yeah?
That's a problem.
That's a
That's a
problem?
problem. Oh my God, I just got like a hint of shrimp.
That's that stuff.
Oh.
Y'all need to make these, guys. And if you can, go out and support Slutty Vegan. Support her wrap snacks. Anything, literally anything she touches turns to gold. Y'all make sure y'all go out and show support. Comment if you've ever been to Slutty Vegan before. Comment which one of these burgers you would try or make. And hold on, I'm gonna bite into mine. You two hold this.
Guys, go ahead to sluttyvegan.com. Check out the website. They have slutty bacon. They also have slutty sauce, which is actually currently not in stock. But when they get it back, man, go ahead and get that. We are gonna go ahead and tear these burgers up. If you guys are in the Atlanta area, go ahead and head on to Uber Eats. See if we can order you some Slutty Vegan, man.
Yeah.
If not, get you the ingredients and make this right now.
Shout them out on social media. Follow them on social media.
Yes, all of that good stuff. But until then, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and as always, don't forget to drink your almond milk. Good.
What the